What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Tonight we are making a salad. We are making a portobello salad with spicy mustard dressing. We're also going to make an additional dressing because I thought it would pair well with this. Since we're on the mustard theme, we're going to make another maple mustard dressing. As always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We're going to start on our portobello mushrooms. So we're going to roast these in the oven. That's why we turned it on. So what we're going to do is make a marinade for it. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to throw it in the oven. First thing we're going to do is remove the gills. We're going to give these a quick rinse and then a pat dry. All right, we're going to put these off to the side. Try not to drop them. And we're going to chop our garlic. That's really the only thing we're going to chop for the roasted portobellos. Now we're just going to put this right into our either a pie dish or anything that looks like this. We're going to put our marinade in that, and that's what we're going to put our portobellos in. And our marinade is going to consist of our garlic, soy sauce and balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and cooking wine. Alright, we're just going to mix this up and keep it in the container. And then we're going to stick our mushrooms in here. We're going to put these upside down like so. And we're going to spoon some of this marinade into the mushroom caps. Now you want to do a generous amount so it pools up in here. Alright, beautiful. And we're supposed to let this marinate for 20 minutes. Doesn't say anything about putting it in the fridge, but I think I'm going to. Alright, now is the perfect time while that is marinating to make our two dressings. So first we're going to make our spicy mustard dressing, which consists of grapeseed oil, maple syrup, our red wine vinegar, and our spicy mustard. We're going to whisk this together and then we're done. That easy. Alright, we're going to cover this and throw it in the fridge. Now on to our maple mustard dressing. We have the same components. We have a grapeseed oil, or you can use any nut oil. It doesn't have to be grapeseed. I know it's a little expensive. There's maple syrup in that as well. Then we're going to add our apple cider vinegar, our Dijon mustard, and our mustard powder. Alright, we're going to whisk this really good as well. It looks delicious. We're going to cover this up and fridge it as well. Fun fact, sap is actually clear when it comes out of the tree, and it only turns this nice, lovely golden color when it's boiled. Only about 10% of the sap is taken from the tree, so it's not permanently damaged, and most trees can provide sap for up to 150 years. 3/4 of the world's maple syrup comes from Canada, specifically Quebec. But before you can tap that tree, it's got to be at least around 40 years old. It's been 20 minutes. This smells delicious. I'm going to spoon just a little bit more into this one. All right, now we're supposed to cover this with foil, and we're going to bake this for 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes is up. Let's take it out. All right, we're gonna uncover this. Ooh, yeah. And we're gonna turn these over, hot. And we're gonna bake this for 10 minutes. Uncovered. So we're gonna set these aside and let them cool for about 10 minutes. They smell delightful, I can tell you that. And I really hate to throw this away. I'll find some use for it. All right, in the meantime, let's start prepping our salad. So you're gonna need some mixed greens. Get a red onion, get an avocado, and chop like so. Drain and rinse a can of chickpeas. All right, I think it's safe to chop these now. We're gonna set this aside. gonna start prepping our salad. Now I'm gonna use 2 different bowls because I wanna change up the dressing. Got a lot going on over here. So we're gonna put a few red onions in here. Put some avocado, some chickpeas in there, and the dressing. We're gonna toss these as delicately as possible. I don't know why I picked bowls this small. I think I might disagree with putting everything in at the same time. One of my least favorite things to do in life is to mix a salad. The bowl's never big enough. Partially it's my fault, I know. Let's try these. All right. I like a good salad. This looks awfully scrumptious. This is the maple mustard dressing, which is okay. It's like, it's a nice little, slightly sweet. What you would expect. These roasted portobello mushrooms are so meaty and deliciously marinated. These are really good. All right, now I'm gonna try the spicy mustard dressing. I think I like that better than the maple mustard dressing. It is a little spicy. It's not terribly spicy though. It's a nice light vinaigrette dressing. And these are delicious. Even non-mushroom fans, I think, would like these. I mean, if you've ever had a marinated portobello, they're just so meaty. All in all, these were pretty good dressings, and the portobellos are perfect. I hope these gave you a couple great ideas for salads. If you liked what you saw, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And as always, make sure to subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.